videos, hit like and smash subscribe. Also, if you have a video idea you want me to make, be sure to comment down below in the description. If I choose your video, I'll dedicate that show to you. For this DIY, you will need a selection of fabric paint, a set of canvas shoes. Where are they though? Seriously. Oh gosh. Oh thank God. Wait, one fell. Oh gosh. Oh, I love it. Paintbrushes in this jar, and a pencil. Where did I put my pencil? A couple of water for rinsing your brushes. Of course they're in here, yeah. Some newspaper to protect your work area. And because every Galaxy girl loves glitter, you can also get a can of glitter spray to finish off your project. And add a little extra sparkle right here. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the laces. Next, you're going to use a pencil to draw a rough outline of what your galaxy is going to look like. Remember to alternate light and dark colors, blending them into each other as you go. I finished up my shoes and set them aside to dry overnight, and while I was at school. Add stars and glitter. Let your creativity go bananas! I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. Remember to comment down below in the description for more DIYs you'd like to see. Make sure you smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. Goodbye! Hey guys! Ow. Oh, I died. Ow. I'm right here.